Friendly Farm Animals Having Fun, written by the Share a Book Foundation. At daybreak, the rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo, signaling the beginning of a day on the farm. The hen and her chicks scratch and peck for corn in the barnyard. Cluck, cluck, says the chicken. A turkey struts around the barnyard, showing off his colorful feathers. Gobble, gobble, says the turkey. Near the barn, the little donkey stands waiting for hay. Ee-haw, says the donkey. The mother duck takes a bath as she watches her ducklings. Quack, quack, says the duck. On the farm pond, the ducklings swim and dive for food. The lamb's mother rests in the sunshine. Ba, ba, says the ewe and her lamb. A young lamb looks over the green grass in the pasture, ready to graze. The mare trots after her colt. In a nearby pasture, a colt frolics in the sun. Out in the pasture is a cow and her calf. The calf is exploring the flowers. Moo, moo, says the cow and her calf. The mother pig enjoys rolling in the cool mud in the hog pen while her piglets play nearby. Oink, oink, says the pigs. A goat leaps across the pasture to graze with the other farm animals. It's always fun on the farm. The end.